Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys, we're going to share a product that everybody must have guys if you have more than one car. We will explain what it is guys. We're talking about automatic battery charger maintainer guys, because if one of those batteries goes bad, they're expensive nowadays. They're $200, $300, $400 a piece. You go to the dealership, they even charge up to $800. Stay with us, we're going to review Hulkman, one of the best battery maintainers, chargers with the ability to rebuild bad batteries. It's fully automatic guys. They come in different sizes. We're going to talk about that. Stay with us, we'll put it to the test on that BMW and explain how it works. But before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We guys take them completely apart. We show you how to do pretty much anything from engine work, transmission, body work. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. Let's explain what we have here now guys. Specifically, we're going to review the Sigma 1. Okay, the Sigma 1 is a 1000 milliamp hour battery maintainer charger right here. They have it in a different size. The Sigma 5 is 5 times more powerful, but let me tell you guys, this one, okay, is amazing even for that BMW that we do not drive so much here at the garage. It's amazing too, and we're going to explain why. It comes with so many different functions, and it can charge 6 and 12 volt batteries as well. So it has a special function guys that actually can repair that batteries. We've done it before, and actually it increased the battery capacity by 25%. Okay, and we will explain what we did. This is guys, everything is automatic, and it has a 9-step charging process. It's not just on and off. It has different stages, so that can optimize your battery. It shows you the charge level, 7 different indicators. It has a 6 volt, 12 volt. It has the AGM lithium batteries, 6 volt AGM batteries. It has 4 different error modes as well, for overheating battery, for bad battery, for actually wrong polarity and things like that. So now we have that charger guys connected here to that BMW. As you know, we have more than 12 cars here at the shop, and eventually guys they start dying. Okay, if you don't drive them for more than 25-30 days, these newer vehicles will start dying. So that's why we have all 4 batteries right here guys. We constantly keep rotating them, and all you have to do, just connect it to your battery. You can see it's super simple. Now this is it. You can see how long the cable is. Okay, this is the cable guys. It goes all the way to here. You have a smart connect right there that you can disconnect it, okay, and you can make it to be convenient like that, so you can just plug it in later. So that's super convenient. This is guys, okay, the Hulkman right here. It's automatic. It detected 12 volt battery. It indicates the voltage and how charged the battery is now. You can see it's all the way, but you can switch if you hold that button. Okay, I want to show you now. If we go right here, okay, you can select different modes. 12 volt repair mode right there guys. You can see you can automatically guys, okay, switch between different modes, different things. Okay, the battery is now 12.7. you can see, and I'm going to get out of the repair mode. Let me just hold one more time. Okay, and now it's in repair mode. So now I'm out, you can see. And here guys, okay, if you go ahead and connect it to a different battery, you can see it's going to actually show the battery voltage right there, 12.4, and now it's going to actually guys connect to that battery. You can see right here now it's on 12 volt, and when it's activated, it's going to indicate the battery charge level in a little bit after it analyzes. Okay, you can see, and it starts charging guys. It takes only less than 5 seconds to indicate everything. Start charging. This is a little bit less than halfway guys. So a device like that is a must guys, okay, because if you have more than one car, the other one you don't drive it, the batteries, when they sit, they die. Just from discharging the battery one time, you can kill a car battery, and they're expensive. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can get the Hulkman Sigma 1, amazing device. And if you need more powerful, this is your best choice, Sigma 5 as well. Links will be in the description of the video below. Check it out. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.